Today we're going to make this Argentinian chimichurri sauce. Super easy to make, very few ingredients, and all made in the food processor, no cooking. I would just warm it up slightly when you're getting ready to put it on a plate. But let's get started. Welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm Mathia Ford, and today we're going to make an Argentinian chimichurri sauce that's low sodium, but it adds that extra zing of flavor to anything you want to add it on. It's typically used with steak, but you could put it on chicken, you could put it on fish if you like it, and it's made with some really fresh ingredients. We're making a kidney-friendly version that is very delicious and very nutritious. Here's a quick question. What green sauce makes your taste buds dance? Stick around and I'll tell you at the end. Let's go through our ingredients. We have some fresh parsley. That's going to be the majority of this sauce. The other great thing about this sauce is it's not a cooked sauce. You don't have to cook it. We're starting with 3 bunches of fresh leaf parsley, and then we have red onion. We're going to chop that a little bit, and we're going to use some garlic. We have olive oil, lemon juice, and then in our spice cup, we have black pepper, smoked paprika, which is optional, but I think it's delicious, and oregano. I think the best part is that you don't have to cook it at all. You just make the mixture, and then you can put it in the fridge, use it for the next couple days, and have it to have a little zing, a little flavor to those recipes that you're making. So we only need about a tablespoon of red onion. So we're just gonna cut a little bit and dice it up. You don't have to dice it up perfectly because it's going in the food processor, which will then process it even more. So I'm just going to roughly chop it. So my handy little measurement cups have the right amount in there. And honestly, if you put a little more than you need, it's not a big deal with red onion as far as calories and nutritional value. All right, so it's a very similar story with the flat parsley. So all we're really going to do is cut off stalks. For the most part, we don't have to chop it because it will get processed in the food processor. That smells so good. So really, I've washed this and I'm just going to leave it kind of like that. And when I put it in the food processor, it will get chopped. So I'm going to put just part of the parsley in there and a little bit of the garlic, and we're just going to add this a little bit at a time. Let it kind of process down and then add some more. All right, now I'm just going to sometimes I use a little spatula to kind of move things around so they're getting in there and getting processed. Oh my goodness, this parsley smells so good. I'm going to add a little bit of oil and the lemon juice while it's processing. Adding the last of the parsley, the last of the garlic, seasoning mix. And then as it goes, I'm going to put in the olive oil. So you can see I've kind of mixed it around a little. Okay, little faux pas. We forgot to add the red wine vinegar into the ingredients at the first, but we've got it now, so a little mess up, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna add it. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna stir, make sure everything is in there, getting stirred up. I still see some full-size leaves, so we're gonna work this a little bit longer. Thanks for joining me today. This is our Argentinian chimichurri sauce, and chimichurri is that magical green sauce that makes everything taste a little better. And this one in particular is kidney friendly, so let's give it a try. Ooh, I taste the red wine vinegar. I taste the lemon juice, taste the olive oil. Taste the parsley. This is really good when it's slightly warmed up and served with steak or with chicken. So just store it in your fridge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And we'll see you soon.